should play Stella Ella.
I won.
Yes. I won that when we played it at Anime North.
What?
Yes. I won it.
Can we do that instead? Because
Yes.
these boots suck for running.
I agree. Stella Ella.
Oh my god, I haven't played this.
Oh god.
I can't even remember.
Somebody wants to tell me what this is.
It's
Guys, make the circle bigger so Carly can join in.
yeah. I'm gonna take off this axe. It's actually starting. Who wants to
What
stop
is
at?
this game? I don't
I
know
want
it.
to stop at.
I can't remember.
Stella Ella
Anyone? Say yes.
You need close enough for your hands to reach.
I don't know it.
Okay, what you do is you go Stella
Ella, Ola, clap, clap.
You'll learn as we go.
Yes,
Go
yes.
and get
Go.
started. You do
What do I
this.
say?
Just
Go, y'all.
You'll pick it
Clap.
up.
It's a song, and you clap your hands. You clap your hand to your next person, and then at the end we go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the aim is to not get caught on the one,
Or hit the person.
or if you are the one calling the one, you have to slap their hand.
So if you're the one whose hand is about to be hit on one, you do this at the last minute so that they hit their own hand and cause themselves to go out.
Yep.
Yeah.
Just be careful.
People like to fake people out too.
Yeah. It's easy. It's easy.
Okay.
It's on Twitch, right?
Go.
Stella,
Ella, Ola, clap, clap, clap. Say yes, Chico, 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 chat. Say yes, Chico, Chico. Hello, hello, hello.
You already know.
Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Wait, what number are we going to?
5.
Okay.
Squish.
When we did it in Enemy North, it was 10.
Yeah, but yeah, squish 10 for bigger.
And then we put everyone in the middle of the circle, and we had to slowly close in around them. It was excellent when there was 3 people left.
Ola, clap, clap, clap. Say yes, Chico, 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 chat. Say yes, Chico, Chico. Hello, hello. Let's overflow. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
My wrist doesn't go any flatter than that.
Okay.
I'm a really bad cheater, guys.
I'm gonna get grass on my butt.
I have grass on
Stella,
Ola, clap, clap, clap. Say yes, Chico, 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 chat. Say yes, Chico, Chico. Hello, hello. Let's overflow. Say 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh yeah.
You have like grass like right there.
I know, I have it all over the place. Because of
Russia. One with Russia. Russia was trying to make you a little more one with Russia than previously implied. That worked way too well. I'll have to keep it in mind.
Ola, clap, clap, clap. Say yes, Chico, 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 chat. Say yes, Chico, Chico. Hello, hello. Let's overflow. Say 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, shit.
Oh, darling, come sit with me.
On you, I have grass.
Not on me. Not on. No, not on my. Not with my knee.
Stella, Ella, Ola, clap, clap, clap. Say yes, Chico, 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 chat. Say yes, Chico, Chico. Hello, hello. The toilet overflows. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, you're out.
Stella, Ella, Ola, clap, clap, clap. Say yes, Chico, 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 chat. Say yes, Chico, Chico. Hello, hello. The toilet overflows. Say 1, 2, 3, 4.
This is like,
Stella,
You guys are gonna starve.
Clap, clap, clap. Say yes, Chico, 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 chat. Say yes, Chico, Chico. Hello, hello. The toilet overflows. Say 1, 2, 3, 4.
5. You were supposed to slap her hand. It's 5.
You're right.
Go.
Loser.
Oh god.
And then there were 4.
Stella, Ella, Ola, clap, clap, clap. Say yes, Chico, 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 chat. Say yes, Chico, Chico. Hello,
Confusing.
hello. The toilet overflows. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What?